I've ran hotel events and retreats that have generated over $2 million in revenue, and here's some of the things that I look for when I'm going to go run a retreat or an event. I'm actually at a retreat center right now. It's 800 acres. You can see this is an infinity pool in Texas. A lot of things that I look for is like, how many attendees are you going to have at this event? What's the type of style? For me, this is a mastermind fulfillment event, so we're going to have around 60 people there. So I'm looking for what is the sickest property that I can promote to get more people excited and want to show up to these events. If you're going to have a smaller, more tight-knit group, what I've noticed is it's actually way easier to sell an in-person retreat style event like this with sick accommodations, with an insane view that creates an all-inclusive type experience that if I'm going to do a hotel style event, it doesn't work as well when it comes to promotion. I'm always looking for what's something that can make me stand out in the event industry. We'll rent out the entire thing, 800 acres, and have sick accommodations like this with everything taken care of from start to finish and make a profit on the event.